Hi everyone, I'm Heather, lead horticulturist at Bachman's, and today we're going to talk about transplanting your seedlings into the ground for your garden. Most of you probably started your seeds in a seedling tray. I've potted up these seedlings so that they can be a little bigger so that when I put them in the ground, they'll be ready to go. Transplanting your seedlings into your garden can be pretty easy. All you need is your favorite soil mix, a shovel, and your seedlings. First, start by removing your seedling from the pot and checking the size of the root ball. Loosen up the roots so that they're ready for planting. Now that you know the size of your root ball, we're going to dig a hole slightly larger than this. I'm going to loosen up the soil around the edges so the roots have easier soil to grow into. I will be using Pro Mix's organic vegetable and herb mix to fill back in around the plant after I place it in. Place your seedling upright in the center of the hole. Then fill in around the roots. Using a soil mix around the roots of the plants will help to minimize transplant shock. Seedlings can experience transplant shock when they're being placed from their original container into the ground. Much like we can experience shock when we move to a new city, plants can experience shock when they move into the ground. Having a well-draining soil mix filled with nutrients can help your plant get a good start in your garden. Now that your plant is in its new home, we're going to water it in. Herb and vegetable plants, like tomatoes, will need to be watered almost daily due to their rapid growth and high nutrient usage. Your plant's happy, in the ground, and at the end of the season, you'll have a beautiful harvest. So now, you've gone from seed starting to planting in the garden. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos.